Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to make sure that you're on the right account, and then from here you're going to click on the more settings, and then settings and privacy right here. Now from here all you have to do is to click on the privacy and safety, and then the third option, which is going to be content, you see right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see right here and see there are multiple options. Display media that may contain sensitive content, make sure that that is checked on. And now from here you can see the explore settings, and so you can customize each one for you. You can customize interests for every single one, and you can customize topics. And by finally you can customize search settings, and then from here, as you can see, hide sensitive content, just make sure that that is unchecked, and remove blocked and muted account, make sure that is also unchecked. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.